In this video, we're going to look at key labor market indicators. So we're going to do this for the United States, and this is May 2019 data. The numbers are going to be in thousands. So the civilian non-institutional population, this is going to be also for those age 16 and older, is 258,861. So since this is in thousands, this is almost 260 million. The civilian labor force is about 162 million. And the number of people employed in May, almost 157 million. And we want to solve for a few things here. We want to solve for the number of unemployed, the unemployment rate, the labor force participation rate, and the employment population ratio. So let's start with finding the number of people unemployed. The number of people unemployed is going to be the labor force minus the number of people employed. Remember that the labor force equals the employed plus unemployed. So we can back into the number of unemployed by doing this calculation. So putting in our numbers here for the labor force, subtracting out the number of people employed, we get a value of 5888. And again, this is in thousands, so that's almost 5.9 million people unemployed in the month of May. Moving on to the unemployment rate. The unemployment rate is the fraction of the labor force that is unemployed. So we take the number of unemployed and we divide it by the labor force. So using our numbers over here from the left, labor force 162,646, the number we found for the number of unemployed, and we have an unemployment rate in May of 3.6%. The labor force participation rate, what fraction of the working age civilian non-institutional population is in the labor force, which means either working or being unemployed. So using our numbers over here from the left again, we have a labor force participation rate of 62.8%. And finally, the employment population ratio, which fraction of the working age population, working civilian age, non-institutional population is employed. It doesn't matter if it's full-time or part-time here. Just if you're working, you are considered employed here. So using our numbers over here from the left, we have an employment population ratio of almost 61%. Okay, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful.